what is the answer to this question?
Subscribe! Like! Click!
Hey friends! We've got another puzzle to solve today. What do you get when you combine Sprunki Durple and a scrubber? Let's get started on today's craft with our friends. Let's go! Please draw a rectangle to use as a name tag. I'll sketch the picture for your name tag. Please write the Sprunki letters with a thick marker pen. Oh, the colorful rainbow-colored letters are pretty, aren't they? Use black marker to outline the text and emphasize it. Don't forget to write my channel name too. Please love me lots. Haha, subscription is a must. I'll sketch out Derple with a black marker too. I'll add a pigtail pattern to the background inside the square. Draw the outline of the pattern with black marker. I'll color Derple. The horns and gills on the head are painted deep blue. I'll paint the background brightly in pastel blue. Let's have fun coloring! Yay! Nice! I only taped the front side. Cut out the picture with scissors and set it aside. I prepared a urethane scrubber. This urethane scrubber is very flexible and squeaky soft to the touch. Oops, my bad. Redraw the circle a bit smaller. Sketch Derple simply. Cut the scrubber along the sketch lines with scissors. Trim any rough edges. Chewy, stretchy Fanda cheese slime. Grapes too. How about this slime? The color of grapes and the scent of grapes. Makes me want to eat some sweet grapes. You guys too, right? I'll combine the pre-cut scrubber with the Fanda cheese slime. Slay! Place it in a plastic bag and add more slime where needed. It's time to attach the picture tags to the vinyl entrance. Peel off the paper backing and stick it on. I'll draw Derple's face with a black acrylic marker. I'll draw Derple with an expression that seems indifferent. So cool! Isn't that expression just adorable? Huh? The inside of the plastic bag got all foggy with moisture. Now I'll play with my finished Derple squishy. this Derple sponge squeezy with a trumpet voice. You won't be able to put it down. It's that much fun! If you enjoyed it, please hit subscribe and like. Stay tuned for the next creation.